My name is Angela Frankhouser and I am the proud principal of the Rough Hollow Elementary Rattlers. I'm here on this beautiful morning seeing the amazing work that's being done on our school. Just for perspective, right here in the middle is the front entrance. It's going to be a beautiful entryway. We have our kindergartners and our first graders here on the east side of the school, and our second and third grade rattlers will be on the first floor on the west side, and our fourth and fifth graders get those beautiful views from upstairs on the west side. I can't wait to start school. I hope you're excited too.